Let's talk about the Milwaukee platform. And do I recommend it? Yes. The M18 lineup I recommend for sure for what I have used. I haven't tried all of their tools, but I do have quite a few of the basics. And I've used them daily in the contractor world, and they have held up great as far as the M18 series go. The M12 series has an issue with the clips breaking on the batteries. They usually break right after the warranty's expired, conveniently enough, and then you're stuck with them. The reason I have them is because I have days where I do a lot of aluminum, and the little impact driver in the drill in the M12 series is just lightweight, and I can get a whole day out of two of the small batteries, and it's just good. I can put it on my tool belt, climb right up a ladder, and use that drill all day for pre-drilling and putting screws in. I use the impact on that aluminum as well when it comes to certain things. I can get all day out of two small batteries, and it's just so much lighter than carrying a big M18 platform up there. I do a lot of one-handed cuts on the ladder. I have the M12 hacksaws just because I got them in the kit, and I need to upgrade to an M18 hacksaw just because I have problems with the batteries, but the tools themselves work good. They cut well. I like it. The circular saw I don't like. 5 3/8 M12 circular saw. And I wouldn't do it again for what I do. It's just not good. The impact driver I recommend. They have been solid. I actually have two of these, so I have three total. They've been solid. I replaced them and upgraded to the new one this year. Totally happy with it. M18 drills. These are old as can be. I think this one's about 10 to 14 years. I don't remember how long I've had them, but over 10 years anyway. They worked well. The trigger kind of gave out there at the end, but I can't complain for the amount of abuse that I've put them through, working in the rain, in the dirt, dropping them off ladders by mistake, in the blazing hot sun, setting them, down on the asphalt. I know good and well it was 150 degrees. I've just abused them, and they've held up well. I upgraded to the newer one this year. I'm totally happy with it. The 1/2 inch impact and the 3/8 impact, I've had those more than 10 years. Happy with those. The M12 ratchet, I've got two of those. I couldn't see myself going without them these days. They're just super convenient and handy. I like them. The multi-tool, I like it, yes. Sometimes I feel that the battery doesn't want to make a great connection all the time, and sometimes you kind of have to put some pressure on it, but as much as I've used it and as long as I've had it, I can't really complain about that. The M18 framing nailer, I don't recommend it. I've had this one about 3 years. I've refilled the gas cylinder on it several times, which is why I have it apart today. Taking this apart is actually what prompted this video. I've got to refill it and get it back in action for work, but would I replace it with a different brand today? Yes, I would definitely not recommend this to somebody else. It's great when it works, and when the gas cylinder runs out of air, or the air cylinder, whatever you want to call it, when that thing is out, you're done for the day. Taking it apart in the trailer at the job site and filling it back up is not convenient. At some point, I will replace this with a different one, yes. This is just not what I recommend. But all these other tools, the drills, the impacts, the impact drivers, yeah, all day long I would say go buy them.